We picked up a new tool today. It's an IR battery powered tool. It is the C5101 reciprocating saw. I don't see too many of these for sale, but I got it off Amazon, and here it is. Pretty much comes with nothing but the tool itself. Batteries, you'll have bought another tool already. It's about $275 or so. All right, we've got a release right here for in and out. Standard flip to pop your blades in and out. It is brushless on the 20-volt system that they've had for a while now. You do have a lock and unlock. Weight, I'm gonna guess 15 pounds or so. 15. Your serial number down there. All right, so we got our battery. We charged up. We got 3. Got some sawzall or some blades here. They all take the usual ones that they all take. The multi-metal, medium metal, and a couple wood pruning. This is probably the one we're going to use the most of at the initially for buying this at the moment. Oh, this is the axe, made in USA from Milwaukee. Slide it in there. Turn this. Let's see if I can do it with one hand. All right, we got it in there. It doesn't go back to full lock to the all the way to the right, which is open, but it's in there. So that is looking. That's looking pretty cool. Let's go give it a shot. Let's hook up our battery. These batteries are a couple years old, but as far as I know, they still have full power. Let's go try it out. Pretty clean. We are going to keep on going. One cut through the blades. As you saw, I did that pretty easily through a 4-inch thing. We got all this to do. And try as much of this out of the yard as we can. All right, so we're gonna test it on a little bit bigger of a piece. I did do a bunch of the small branches in the front yard. That blade got worked pretty hard, and if you don't do it right, you'll jam it at some point and you'll bend it. But I just want to show you that this is a reasonably thick piece, you know, I don't know, 5 inches maybe. And I'll show you how quickly that, even with a bent blade, and now it's got a couple hours on it, still cuts all right. Now we're looking here at full power. I will say this, if your battery is only going to last you about 30 minutes. So battery life, if you're holding the trigger cutting, you got about 30 minutes tops. During that time period, like, the whole thing kind of gets warm and heats up a little bit. The battery gets pretty warm. So 30 minutes max when you're working it with this tool. All right, fresh wood. Notice how it's got that light. There's a little flashlight for you to kind of help see where you're cutting when you got it going. The old IR reciprocating saw serve its purpose over the coming years.